Now let's write few sentences using this. Okay? Now, you go out of your house. What do you have over there? Garden. So how will you write the sentence? This is a garden. And what is it in your garden? Plants, flowers, yes, all kinds, crotons. So let's try. This is a garden. Good. This is a garden. G A R D E N, garden. Read. This is a garden. Good. Now, you like to see animals. You will ask Daddy, Daddy, take me to a place where I can see animals. What is that place called? Zoo. And what animals are they? All wild animals in different cages. Let's write. This is a zoo. Zoo is a place where animals are kept for show. This is a zoo. A zoo. Z O O. Zoo. This is a zoo. Next. Now, you go to pray somewhere. Yes? Where do you go? On your birthdays, on special days, you go to pray. And that place is called a temple. So you say, this is a temple. This is a temple. T E M P L E. Temple, a place where you go and pray to ask God's blessing. This is a temple. Next. Sometimes you will say, Mommy, let's call my friends. So the neighbor friends come along with you and you go and play somewhere. That place is called a park. You play there, you spend an afternoon or an evening there together with your friends. What do you find in the park? Merry-go-round, swing, seesaw, and whatnot. And you have a jolly time in the park. Let's write. This is a park. This is a park. P A R K. Let's look at the sentences. Look, this. We wrote 4 sentences using this. This is a garden. This is a zoo. This is a temple. And this is a park. Now, there are a lot of things you see in the sky. Tell me, after the rain, what do you see in the sky? And beautiful colors on it. Rainbow. So how will you write? This is a rainbow. Shall we write? Yes. This is a rainbow. R A I N B O W. This is a rainbow. Who gives you light during the day? Sun. This is a sun. This. This is a sun. S-U-N. Sun. Sun gives us heat and light during the day. Then who gives us light during the night? Moon. Moon. You see the moon at night. Sometimes it's full, sometimes it looks like it's changing shape. Moon. This is a moon. Let's write. This is a moon. A moon. Moon. This is a moon. What twinkles in the sky at night? Stars. When else you see star? You see star during festivals to hang at your door. This is a star. This is a star. S T A R. Star. All these things you see in the sky. This is a rainbow. You see the rainbow after the rain. This is a sun. Sun. This is a moon. And this is a star. Let's take a set of insects and write sentences. Which is the most colorful, most beautiful, lovely insect that comes to your garden? Butterfly. So what will you write? This is a butterfly. Good. Let's write. This is a butterfly. B U T T E R F L Y. Butterfly. This is a butterfly, the most colorful insect. There's a little insect that loves to dance in the sun. Yes, and the summer comes. He's very happy. Tiny green leaves come and he loves to eat them all. Grasshopper. So we'll write this is a grasshopper. This is a grasshopper. G R A S S. Grass. H O P P E R. Grasshopper. Next, there is a little insect that's nice and bright red with black dot on it. Ladybug. This is a ladybug. This is a lady bug. Ladybug is red with black dot on it. This is a ladybug. Now, there is an insect that flies into your house, bringing you illness. You get fever, cough, cold. What is that naughty insect? Housefly. You should keep the housefly away from the house. So you will write, this is a housefly. This is a house fly. F L Y. Let's read the 4 sentences about insect. This is a butterfly. This is a grasshopper. This is a ladybug. And this is a housefly.